short form for monosodium glutamate, and MSG is widely used as a flavor enhancer in food industry and also in the cooking of food at home. And basically MSG combine the taste of whole food so that it is more acceptable by the consumer. And MSG has been given the GRAS status by US FDA, meaning that in general MSG is safe to be used in cooking as well as in food industry. And European Union also approved MSG to be used as a food additive with the E number of 621 and allowed to be used in industry in certain quantity. MSG can be produced through three methods. First is through the hydrolysis of vegetable proteins. Second method is through the direct synthesis. And the third one is through the bacterial fermentation. And normally in bacterial fermentation, Corynebacterium is used, where this bacterium will ferment carbohydrate and normally comes from tapioca and other carbohydrate source together with the other ingredients to produce MSG. Besides the flavor enhancer in food, maybe this MSG, could also provide certain kind of nutrient to the body through their degradation in the digestion system. Yeah, because of the safe status given by US FDA as well as the European Union, we assume that MSG will not give any health problem if used at certain quantity. And if the use of MSG above the maybe safety limit, maybe it can pose a health problem to the consumer. digestion related, or recycling of nutrient in the body that can affect certain organ and so on. The exact problem related to the MSG consumption is not really known yet so far. That may be based on certain individual or people perception, because such a claim need to be supported with the clinical evidence, data. Without those evidence or data, we cannot assume that this MSG could have health problem for long term and so on.
As consumers gain knowledge of MSG, they no longer want to buy food that contains MSG in it. This is due to one of the study finds that MSG may cause weight gain and obesity, as it damages the appetite regulation center in the hypothalamus. MSG practically tricks the brain into thinking that the food tastes really great. Researchers commonly fatten up lab rats by feeding them MSG. Although this risk has a rise in the use of MSG, the FDA still allows food producers to hide MSG in their food products by changing MSG in plenty disguised forms such as hydrolyzed vegetable protein and autolyzed yeast extract. Even though MSG seems pretty unavoidable, there is still a way a consumer may do to avoid it. The easiest way to prevent consumption of MSG is to eat healthy by ingesting organic food and home-cooked meals. A study found that red clover is able to block brain damage from MSG. The natural mixture of phytoestrogenic isoflavones found in red clover can protect the brain from MSG toxicity. There are also other ways that a person can do to avoid the consumption of MSG. These ways are listed on the screen.
In order to do that, we have to do research, yeah, and really focus so that we can really tap the potential of MSG, maybe in the future to be used as other or can give other benefit beside the flavor enhancer.
Created using Powtoon.